Let's go to Sri Lanka. Now, we are making a Sri Lankan food today. Breadfruit, we are making in a Sri Lankan style. When you see it, you were thinking it is so dark in color. How it's getting? It's not like South Indian style. We have the Ularthu. No, this is a spectacular spice combination. Make it so dark, so good, so beautiful. Let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. This recipe will serve 4 to 5 guests. First, onto a pot, 2 tablespoons of chili powder on a low flame. Stir continuously, dry roast it, dark in color. Please don't burn it, make sure it is dark. Turn off the flame, cool it down, set it aside. We need 500 grams of breadfruit cut into cubes. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Add the dark chili powder we just made. 1 tablespoon of rock salt. Mix well and set it aside. Onto a pot on a medium flame. Add half cup of coconut oil. When the oil is hot, 3 pieces of cloves, a small piece of cinnamon stick, few thinly sliced ginger, 2 pieces of sliced red onions, few extra curry leaves, 6 pieces of garlic cloves crushed, some lemongrass. Saute it. Saute for 2 minutes. Keep the onions onto the side so the oil will be all at the center. Add small pieces of 1/4 cup of coconut, few cashew nuts. Roast it for a minute. Combine everything together. Saute until onions are soft and transparent. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of dark curry powder. How to make dark curry powder the Sri Lankan way recipe is there in my channel. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Saute for a minute, let the spices cook. 1 piece of bay leaf, a green chili slit, 3 pieces. Add the marinated breadfruit. Combine well. Add 2 more tablespoons of coconut oil on the top, 2 pieces of kokum. Cook for 4 minutes. Let the spices beautifully combined. We need 3/4 cup of coconut powder mixed in 3 cups of water. Add to the curry. Combine well. Bring to simmer. 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Mix well. Let it boil. Cover it on a medium low heat until it is soft and tender but a little bit crunchy. Stir in between. As soon as the oil is started floating, the spices are cooked and the breadfruit are cooked. Check for the salt. If we need, add a little bit. Give a quick mix. Turn off the flame. Rest it for 30 minutes so all the spices are infused and you will get a beautiful flavored breadfruit curry. The Sri Lankan style, the breadfruit curry, it's ready. I kept it almost for half an hour after cooking. So the sourness, the spiciness, all will get into the breadfruit. Now, get a big piece. So good. Beautiful combination of flavors. Oh, coconut. Wow. Enhancing the flavor. So don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.